Resilience in trading handling losses. Resilient traders understand that losses are a natural part of trading. They accept losses without letting them affect their overall mindset or strategy. Instead of dwelling on losses, resilient traders quickly bounce back, analyzing what went wrong and using the experience to improve future trades. Emotional stability. Resilience involves maintaining emotional stability during market turbulence. This means not letting panic or euphoria dictate trading decisions. Focusing on long-term goals rather than short-term setbacks helps in maintaining a resilient attitude. Traders understand that the path to success is filled with ups and downs. Continuous learning. Resilient traders view mistakes as learning opportunities. They continuously refine their strategies and techniques based on past experiences. Being resilient also means adapting to changing market conditions. This requires a flexible mindset and the willingness to adjust strategies as needed. Building resilience techniques, such as meditation and mindfulness, can help in developing emotional control and resilience. Having a support network of fellow traders or mentors can provide encouragement and different perspectives during challenging times. Cultivating a positive and growth-oriented mindset helps in staying motivated and resilient, even when facing losses or setbacks. Confidence in trading. Trusting your analysis. Confidence comes from thorough research and analysis. When traders are confident in their analysis, they make informed decisions without second-guessing. Confident traders execute their trades without hesitation, following their plans and strategies. Consistency. Confidence helps traders stick to their trading plan, even when the market conditions are challenging. This consistency is crucial for long-term success. Confident traders implement risk management strategies effectively, trusting that they can handle potential losses. Self-belief. Confidence allows traders to overcome setbacks and keep moving forward. They believe in their ability to succeed, regardless of temporary failures. Confident traders have a growth mindset, always seeking to improve their skills and knowledge. Building confidence. Continuous learning and practicing new strategies can build confidence. The more knowledge and experience you have, the more confident you'll be in your abilities. Celebrating small wins and acknowledging progress can boost confidence. Keeping a record of successful trades can serve as a reminder of your capabilities. Regularly reflecting on your trading performance helps in identifying strengths and areas for improvement, fostering a balanced and confident approach. By cultivating resilience and confidence, traders can navigate the complexities of the market with a positive and determined attitude. These traits enable traders to manage emotions, recover from losses, and stay committed to their long-term trading goals.